Hi, I'm Shale Rothman, Managing Partner of Lawyers.ca LLP. Today's topic is, how long does a lawyer need to close a transaction? Well, unfortunately, that depends. It depends on third parties. If you have a mortgage or a line of credit secured against the property, that lawyer will need to get a discharge statement. So the banks could take up to 10 days in order to get that to the lawyer in order to be able to close. Is the buyer having a new mortgage? In which case the lender traditionally will need a few days to even process it and give instructions to the lawyer. Plus you need a few more days in order to be able to request funds to close. If it's an all cash deal, you could probably close the next day. Is it a commercial deal? In which case the lawyer needs to request off title searches such as work orders, zoning, bylaws, etc. And the municipality could take up to 2 weeks to get that information to your lawyer. Depending on the transaction will depend on the time. For a used residential property, ideally a week to 2 weeks for closing at the minimum is always preferred. For commercial properties, the more time you have, the less stress you will have. Depending on the transaction, you should be reaching out to your real estate lawyer. Speak to them first before you lock in a closing date. Understand the terms and conditions of your specific transaction, and then they can guide you in terms of what a reasonable closing date would be for your circumstances. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me anytime. My email is rothman@realestatelawyer.ca, and looking forward to working with you in your next transaction.
Buy and sell the easy way at realestatelawyer.ca.